Hi guys, welcome to another first impressions video where I will be unboxing this from EngineHawk, which is still related to electric skateboarding in a way, but it's a very different product from what I normally do on this channel. For those of you that have seen any of my other videos, you've probably seen me look at Ruroc helmets, even the new light one that came out this ski season, which was an absolutely awesome helmet and I still love it. Now Ruroc also have a motorcycle side of their brand where they've been doing motorbike helmets, which are a little bit heavy, a little bit overkill for me on an electric skateboard. Then earlier, I think this year, they sent an invite out to people on the mailing list around a new group that they were putting together to talk about future products from Ruroc, and I thought that could be interesting. And then I found out that it was actually for motorcycle wear. And then a couple of months ago I saw one of the products in the prototype phase and thought, hang on a second, because I was looking at Armoured hoodies for electric skateboarding anyway, and I thought maybe they've got an Armoured hoodie. This is what is in the box here. Now I just want to say that Ruroc and EngineHawk haven't designed this for Esk8. They don't know that I bought this product to do this review and test it out for this reason. Let's get into the unboxing. But you guys are going to see this before I will on the camera. So, oh, that's nice. Check that out. Nice EngineHawk logo there. And then I'm going to look at this on the screen next to me. What does that say? EngineHawk is born to revolutionize the motorcycle industry and completely redefine what motorcycle apparel can be. Welcome to EngineHawk. Now, they may also redefine the electric skateboard, maybe electric unicycle world as well, but I haven't even realized it yet. There's a nice thank you card here. Unboxing stuff from Ruroc is always a nice affair. And so there is a drawstring bag with the EngineHawk logo on it, and on the other side there is the EngineHawk's head. I think it's a head, not a wing. And there's something in here, so I'll check this out. Okay, this is the back armor. I will get to this in just a second. Yeah, that's really nice. Just before I go any further, if you ride an electric skateboard or an electric unicycle, what protective gear brands are you wearing? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so here's the jacket, but as you can see, it's all black in the style of a hoodie. Just on the right arm here, you can see there is a black EngineHawk logo. That's on the inside of the arm. And then I just saw another logo just on the cuff of the left arm here. The hood is shaped slightly differently to a kind of normal hoodie so that it fits flat. And there's also a pop button on the back here with another little tiny logo there. The sas-tec armor is extremely flexible. It's made out of this kind of weird material, but it kind of flexes and stays fairly, keeps its shape fairly easily. When you wear this, it gets more flexible as it heats up. Just think about some of the pads that I've worn before, and it's kind of fairly restrictive on the movement, so it'd be good to see how this feels when I put it on. On the inside there is a giant EngineHawk logo, this mesh type material, but it's not like mesh that I've seen in some of the other Armoured hoodies, which is kind of a little bit scratchy, a little bit sweaty. It feels like the stuff that you get on like a basketball shirt almost, but apparently this is abrasion resistant as well. The hanging chain that's on the back of the jacket is actually like a little bike chain. It's a very, very nice detail. There are drawstrings on the hood. Oh, that's a really... So, you get a shot of that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually got the EngineHawk logo on the pop buttons there. There is a phone pocket on the inside here. There's a giant pocket here, and there is one on this side as well, so there's two large pockets on the inside here. You've got 2 zip pockets on the outside, on either side. Pit zips. I always run hot, so that is a welcome feature. This, I will say, this is a fairly substantial hoodie. It is not like a lightweight cotton thing. I don't know what this is going to feel like. I don't think I could wear this in the summer, but certainly for kind of spring, autumn, winter, if it's not snowing here, this would be great. And it feels kind of, I don't want to say waterproof, but it feels like a soft shell material on the top. So I'm guessing that is going to be at least a little bit water resistant. Little pockets here for the armor in the shoulder, which is also level 1 at the moment. I've got the level 2 coming, and I can do a video on that. If you're interested, let me know in the comments. And in the elbows as well, there is level 1 armor in there also. So my first impressions of this jacket are really good. It is extremely well made. It is heavy duty, and also I think because of that, I just can't see myself wearing this in the summer. But for all other times, I think this is great. It's a good alternative to the hoodies that are already out there. I do want to take this on a ride, test it out, see how easy it is to move. At the moment it's a little bit stiff, but I think that will relax a bit as you wear it in. It is a very good looking jacket. It has some very, very nice small design touches, which I think most people aren't going to notice, but it's those small details that make you feel like you're wearing something very special. Some of the other things like the hoodie, the hood, the way that it's shaped, the way that it buttons down, the inside of the jacket feels like really nice as well. If there are any questions that you have on this in the meantime, please feel free to leave those in the comments below. If you wear another protective brand that you swear by, also let me know in the comments below so I can check that out as well. If you like this video or found it useful in any way, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps. Consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one.